Is your GMC Acadia key fob not working? The most likely culprit is a dead battery. Don't worry, replacing it is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money. This section will guide you through the process. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin and a new CR2032 battery. First, locate the small notch on the side or back of your key fob. Insert the screwdriver or coin into the notch and gently pry the fob open. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic tabs can be fragile. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is facing up. Insert the new battery with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the key fob back together until it clicks shut. Test the fob by pressing the lock or unlock button. You've successfully replaced your GMC Acadia key fob battery. To ensure a smooth battery replacement and prolong the life of your key fob, consider these tips. Always use a CR2032 battery. Other sizes won't fit and could damage the fob. Work in a dry environment to prevent moisture from affecting the electronics. When prying open the fob, be gentle to avoid cracking the plastic. If your Acadia is a newer model, 2024 onwards, ensure the rubber gasket is properly seated when reassembling to maintain water resistance. If the fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, consult your owner's manual for reprogramming instructions or visit a GMC dealer. Finally, remember that extreme temperatures can affect battery life, so consider replacing the battery more frequently in very hot or cold climates.